Hey everyone! Have you ever been to the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh? I love this place. But today I'm not talking about the big stuff, like the planetarium or the giant submarine. Nope, I'm on a mission to show you the hidden gems, the little secrets that make this place even more awesome for families like yours. First, let's talk about the miniature railroad and village. It's tucked away downstairs, but it's like stepping into a tiny magical Pittsburgh. Watch trains zoom past tiny steel mills, farms, and even Kennywood Park. I could spend hours just spotting all the little details. Next, don't miss the H2O exhibit. Yes, it's about water, but if you look closely, there are hands-on experiments that will totally blow your mind. Seriously, kids love splashing around while learning how rivers work, or even making their own mini flood. Now if you're an adventure seeker, head up to the ropes challenge. It's not as crowded as the main exhibits, and climbing up there gives you a crazy cool view of the whole center. Trust me, your inner ninja will thank you. And here's a pro tip. Keep an eye out for the science stage shows. They're not always on the map, but when you catch one, it's like a live magic show with science. Explosions, lasers, and so many laughs. Perfect for the whole family. So next time you visit the Carnegie Science Center, go beyond the usual, hunt for these hidden gems. I promise your family will discover a whole new world of fun. Ready to explore? Let's go. Like and subscribe for more things that will amaze you.